Big Christmas morning, Rito mashing up the kitchen. He falling behind the sun. So I went across to see what's really going on. He say I went for pizza pop just by Wellington. You know when I come back home, the damn woman gone, so I ask her,
baila muchacha, baila. I must have black cake for Christmas. I love it souped down with rum. The taste must be nice and fruity. I want it stick to me gun. A piece of cake Christmas morning. Just have me filled with delight. And with a cold glass of sorrel, my good Christmas does be bright. It's the black cake I love. It's the fruit cake I want. You are the master baker, and I'm the fruit cake lover. I love the way you just make it. I'm always here to eat it. It's the black cake I love.
Wagwani friends from Tobago, Christmas they reach in Fat Meadow, with a box piece and a quattro, a violin and a banjo. They say they always had a plan to give me family a parang. They wake up my mommy right away when they ring out with this loud way. My Jeffrey, oh, get up. Hey, like you are here, the neighbor cock crowing, oh girl. Madam Jeffrey, oh, get up. Time to put some smoke in the kitchen, oh girl. Madam Jeffrey, oh, wake up. I hope you know it while you're drinking, oh girl. I done got to prepare because I know the time is near. I feel a change of climate flowing through the atmosphere. Christmas song keep playing, parent group getting in line. I hope Santa bring me exactly what I have in mind. I want a piece of pork, I want a piece of pork, I want a piece of pork for me Christmas. I don't want no money cook, keep your color low. I want a piece of pork for me Christmas. I want a piece of pork, I want a piece of pork, I want a piece of pork for me Christmas. I don't want no money cook, keep your color low. I want a piece of pork for me Christmas.
He getting down in age and he want a helper, so he looking for